Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I'm an eBay reseller full-time. One of the things I love doing is unboxings, and I have a fun box for you today, so super excited about that. We are still working up to our 150K. It's been quite the ride. It's going so great. It's going great. My biggest problem is that I like to source a lot. I like to sell too and I like to list, but I love to source. And so I have way too much stuff right now. I have got to work on listing it. But meanwhile, today we're going to do a fun box. I wanted to give you all the first scoop too that on this Friday, I am doing a, instead of what's live at 5, I'm doing a giant sale. I'm going to do a big sale, and it's going to be all scratch and dent designer items. I've got 6 or 7 Louis Vuitton bags, and I'm selling them for what I paid for them. I'll explain why in my video, but it's because the guy that I had repairing them didn't do them. So just a busy time, I guess. But anyway, so Friday I'm having a giant designer sale, and it's going to be amazing. The prices are going to be amazing. There's a ton of stuff that I need to liquidate. So, all right. Meanwhile, I wanted to first, before I get into the fun box, Diane from Simply Diane Adventures, Diane's Adventures, sent me, and I blocked my name and her name and address because I had to show you this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Diane must really know me because I can't tell you. Dogs and cat, I love them so much. It is almost ridiculous. But look at how cute they are. This is the package. Diane sent me a package. She sure didn't need to. That was really, really kind. So I'm going to open that first. So let's open that up. I can't believe I've been letting it sit here. I'm not a good patient person. I mean, I try, but you know, let's see. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that. It's very nicely taped. So, let's see. Okay, there. I got it. Okay, I got a card here. And she said it was okay to mention her name. So it's Diane. Dear Stephanie, congratulations on hitting 1,000 subscribers. It's a huge achievement, and I'm so happy for you. Aw, thanks, Diane. It is huge. It's absolutely huge. I still can't believe it, to be honest. I can't believe it when sometimes I'll see my friends and family and they'll say, oh, I've been watching you. And I just kind of can't believe it. So thank you to everyone who's subscribed. Oh my gosh. Subscribed or watched. Wow. I can't even believe this. This is gorgeous. Look at this necklace she sent me. It goes with what I'm wearing today, and I did not open this up. It looks like J. Crew. I don't think it is J. Crew, but it is, I don't know, JS. Wait, is that JS? Oh my gosh, it is just gorgeous. I'm wearing it right now. Oh, it is, if someone said, what's your taste? I would show them this necklace and say, here it is. Oh my gosh, it goes perfect with what I'm wearing, doesn't it though? And I have this ring and this bracelet. I got them both from jewelry boxes. So Diane, thank you so much for the necklace. That was super kind of you. Super kind of you. I am definitely never selling this. This is totally my taste. So you had a perfect pick. Thank you so much, Diane. All right, we're on to the fun box, which is super light. You know how I am. I like to get it when I like things to be heavy because then I think they're better. That's totally not accurate though. I don't know why. It just feels like if it's heavy, it seems like there's better stuff. All right, we have Mixed Rescue Fun Box, 10 items. Comes to about almost $5 each if there are 10 items, but you almost always get more than 10 items in these. So we've got we've got regular packing materials instead of branded. It looks like a white theme, which is absolutely insane because I'm wearing, well, off-white, but I'm wearing white. All right, let's get into this thing. Ooh, there's some good stuff. Okay, first thing is these, what do you call them? Earmuffs. Now those I could possibly use, but they're going to be for sale. This is not the time of year. It's about 100 here today. So that is really cute, earmuffs, but I'm probably going to sell them. I have so many hats. Believe me, when you live in Minnesota, you tend to have enough hats. Okay. Next up is Merle Works. Merle Works socks. Ooh, they're cute. Look at how cute they are. Look at I don't know if this is tie-dye. Merle Works. Let's see, what does it say? I'm going to show you. Okay, it's a pair of socks. And it's like ankle socks, right? And what does it say on the inside? Let's see. Poetry readings, rock concerts, they were out of office. Dressy socks for ladies. Okay, I'm just going to show you kind of what it says here. Are they dressy though? I don't know. They don't seem, they're a little too high for me. I hate socks, first of all. I very rarely wear socks. Even in the winter, I don't like them. But I sometimes do wear them. But anyway, those are up for sale. I'm saving this one. Oh my God. I'm saving one of them for last. It's a good one. It's a really good one. Oh my gosh. We'll do this next. All right, next up is these items. Let's see. One of them is, let's just look. I don't know. Looks like an Amazon label. LED compact mirror. LED compact mirror. Okay, that's one of the things. And then this is fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. I'm keeping that one. I love good mascara. I like trying new mascaras. Let's be honest, they almost all end up in the trash, but I like trying them at least. So, okay, because some of them, they don't always work. But anyway, I'm trying that. I'm going to keep that. This will be for sale for cheap, because it is a cheap thing. Okay, all right, well, that was interesting. Next up is size XXL Soma. Let's see, Soma, and it's got, by the way, anytime you get underwear, any type of underwear, it's going to be new with tags. And so these are $26 retail, Soma. Size XXL. And they look like they're super cute. They've got grip, like grippy, so they don't fall down. Interesting. Okay, so they're size XXL. Those are super cute. So, okay, underwear size XXL from Soma. I have heard that name in relation to bras, but I've never heard much about underwear from them. Okay, makeup practice. The next thing is, I have no idea. It's this box. Is it eyeshadow? I bet it's it doesn't even say on here. Let's see, makeup practice. This product, well, I don't know. This is kind of weird. It's taped shut, isn't it? How do I get this thing out of here? There. Oh. Oh my God. I don't know. I don't have any words here. Okay, you ready? What do you think? Does it look good? I don't know what this thing is. Look at this. Look at. Hi. Hi. I have no idea what this is. What is it? Whoopsies. Oops. Sorry, face. I dropped the face. That's upside down. Okay. It looks and feels like real skin. What is it? I don't know. This is weird. Okay? Are you supposed to use it as I don't know what this thing is. And there's not a good... Alright, I'm baffled. I'm truly baffled. What in the... That is the weirdest... This product... Oh. It's for makeup artists to practice on. So if you have a budding makeup artist in your family, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you about that. That is weird. I kind of want to keep it just for fun and jokes, like to play on my family. My brother is a big prankster. And if he didn't have a couple broken ribs right now, I'd have to play a good joke on him, because I feel a little sorry for him for that. So, all right, next up is this tool. Oh, it's from Lulu's. It's brand new. White, made with love. Okay. I don't know what this is, though. Is it just a scarf? It's a big piece of netting. It's a big piece of netting. That's all it is. I bet it was is it for a veil maybe? I don't know, it's tied together up here. I don't know. It's netting. Netting from Lulu's. It's super long. It's like, look at this. Okay, it's like, starts here. Very, very long. It's still going. It's still going. Okay, so it's a long, very long piece of netting by Lulu's. Kind of weird. I don't know. It seems like it has something to do with getting dressed up. That's what my guess is. All right, next up. Sometimes you get the strangest things in these boxes. Saucony Elite arm sleeves. All right, now this I can appreciate. Fortify arm sleeve size small. They're arm sleeves, SPF 50. I probably have said this before, but I've run 2 full marathons, and I was a big runner back in the day. But I hurt my knee, and I haven't run really since then. But these are arm sleeves for not getting sunburned, and for, I mean, anytime you want, you know, I guess you could use them for a multitude of things, but not getting sunburned is what I would use them for. So they're Saucony running sleeves, size small. Is there a guide? No, there's not. Provide coverage while you're out in the elements. Lightweight gripper keeps the sleeves in place. 50 plus UPF, recycled nylon. And they're unisex, size small, so men's or women's. This is a weird box. Okay, that is weird. All right, but it's cool. Okay, next up is this, whatever this is. Look at, I don't know what it is. It's butterflies on a sheepish looking thing. It looks like it's made from sheep's wool. Okay, oh my God. Okay, we've got a hat festival going on here. Ooh, all right, so first we've got this unbranded, super, super cute hat. It's a bucket hat and ties in the back. Now that is a regular size hat. I like it. It's almost Mad Hatter-ish with butterflies. It's super cute. It looks brand new, but it does not have a tag on it. But it looks brand new for sure. Bucket hat. Look at the butterflies are all around. There's the inside, and you can tie it to make it bigger or smaller. So that's cool. I like that. All right, wow. This is probably a hat. This is new also. It doesn't look like it has any wear to it. And I don't know. This one looks like it's one that you'd wear to one of those Kentucky Derby parties. I don't know. That is another absolutely insane hat. I love hats. I love insane hats. I'm kind of good with that. But yeah, what do you think of that one? That's pink lame with some real feathers on top. I don't know. That is one of the weirdest hats I've ever seen. I like it though. I love it. And the other one is another bucket hat. And this one's kind of a florally. By the way, all 3 hats look new. All right, this is just there. I don't know. It's floral. It's got wires in it. I think you can bend it how you want to. You know, maybe you can't. Doesn't bend all the way, but yeah, it's nylon. Okay, that's cute. It's got kind of embroidery on it. Can you see that? Yeah, the design is cute. There's the inside. All right, we're saving the best for last. I think this might be the best. Mentionables size, not unmentionables, but mentionables. Okay, that is cute. That is like a baby doll. No, it's not. It's like a corset with a skirt bottom. And where's the size though? Mentionables. Where's the size? Lace and mesh. And where is the size? Okay. Well, I don't know where the size is, but I'm going to just show it to you. And then this is the back. It's adorable. Isn't there a size on here somewhere, wouldn't you think? No, I don't. I think it's like a large or extra large, but there's no size. There has to be a size. Well, I'll be putting the size on the screen. But that is adorable. All right, I don't know the size of it, but that is, I don't know. We'll find out. And last but not least, I think this is going to be the best thing in the box. Oh yeah. This is what I was looking at. And here, can you see it says Pandora? It's hard to see the Pandora. Pandora is written right there. Can you, if I put it back a little bit? I believe it's a jewelry, yeah, it's a jewelry wrap by Pandora. Super cute, looks new. Yeah, there's, wouldn't that be fun if there was like a gold ring in it? But there's nothing in it. So it is new. It's a jewelry wrap by Pandora. Ooh, nice. And then the other thing is this ring holder. Just a little ring box for your counter or whatever. It does look like it's got a couple. It's new, but it just has a little bit lint on it probably from the other things in the box, but it's really cute. So this was an odd box, I must say, but we've got the ring holder, we've got the Pandora jewelry roll. That's the word I was looking for, jewelry roll. I didn't really show you. It's leatherette, and it's got all the things a jewelry roll would have. These little removable things. Kind of put it up close here so you can see a zip compartment, a couple of those, tuck compartment in here with a zip. So that is the inside is a deep purple and it's really pretty. So the Pandora box, we've got the kind of wire hat with the floral. We've got the pink lame. I don't know. That one's hilarious. We've got the faux sheepskin. This is faux, by the way. That's not real sheepskin or sheep fur, I mean. Saucony arm sleeves. This netting by Lulu's. By the way, netting, this stuff, a tulle is another name for it, is expensive. When you buy that at the store, it's expensive. I used to buy it when I was making things a lot more. This is the weirdest thing I've ever got, ever. I don't know, there's not many things that leave me at a loss for words, but this one is weird. I don't know. Anyway, mascara, which I'm keeping. And then we've got this baby doll, or no, I always want to call it baby doll, but it's just lingerie. A pair of XXL underwear by Soma. This little mirror. And, oh, forgot the socks. Last but not least, the earmuffs. That was odd. But anyway, one more thank you to Diane. If you go in the description of this video, her name and her channel will be linked there. Please do go follow her channel. She's also a reseller like us and does unboxings. So, all right, thank you everyone. And I believe sells jewelry as well. So you can honestly see right from this that that's part of what she does. So, all right, thank you everyone for watching. If you'd like to purchase anything, it's going to be $8 for as many items as you want from this box. Email me at mystepstyle@gmail.com, and I do send out invoices using PayPal, but you don't have to have a PayPal account. You can use any debit, credit, or Venmo. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you Friday at the clearance designer sale.